welcome to my YouTube channel. It's THERAPEUTIC here, and yes, today's video is a at-home manicure. So let's get this video. So basically guys, as you can see, my nails, they need a manicure as soon as possible. You know, with all this lockdown and all the shops closed, I really have to do this at home. And yeah, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm gonna achieve this look. So basically I'm gonna start by showing you guys which products I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna use the cotton pads. I'm gonna use my nail polish remover, my nail file, also the top coat from Berry M, so it's quick dry. It's the first time I'm gonna be using this, and yes, I hope it does work. This makes your nail polish, your actual nail polish, last longer. And the color that I choose, please, ta-da! So it's this color from Lottie, and it's called DAZE Dream. And actually it's super shiny. I'm not sure if you can see properly. Super shiny and gives me summertime vibes. I'm gonna start by, you know, actually taking off with a cotton wool my nail polish, because I have old nail polish on my nails. All my nails, as you guys can see, they're all cleaned. Yes, starting to look better. Actually, my nails are growing, but they growing and also breaking at the same time, which is so sad, because I really love to see them long, naturally long. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my nail file, and yes guys, gonna make them look really tidy. So yeah guys, can you see it's looking way better? It's way more tidier now and super clean. Let's do the other hand. Yes girl, so the other hand is done as well, and I actually filed my nails like on a square shape. I don't know if you can see properly, but yeah, and now they short again. So yeah, I like that way. It's easier to wash the dishes and to do home stuff. So next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this tiny nail file just on top of my nails, just to, I like to do that to make it way smoother when it's time to apply the nail polish on top. So if you have any cracks on top or anything like that, it's gonna smooth the nail. as you can see. Then I just like to clean to have a look. It's way smoother, super smooth. So I'll make my nail polish application better and easier. So far it's looking way better than before. So let's go ahead and start painting the nails. Let's go ahead and try. So when I'm painting my nails, I always start by the center and then I go down, then I go back to the center, and then I go to the sides, left and right. Then when I get to the end, I just go like that at the tip of the nail. Again, center, down, then sides. Boom, and the other hand is done as well. So it's not looking that good because I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit and then apply the second coat. Yeah, so with the second coat it will look way much better. So yeah, so ready to apply the second coat now that it's a bit dry. I absolutely love this color. It's really beautiful, it's shiny, and it's perfect for summer. And yeah, let's go ahead to the second hand. And that's it. The second hand has the second coat as well. How cute. Yes, that's Lottie London for you guys. So now again, the waiting game to let them dry, and so that I can apply the top coat. So guys, I must say that my nails are dry. I already checked, I touched all of them, and I gotta say that this nail polish actually dries very quickly. So if you're looking for something that dries quickly and you want to go places, so this is the one actually. So let me go ahead and try the top coat. We're gonna let it dry now. It actually says quick dry, so I'm about to see if that's true. So this is how the nails look. So you know, usually when after I finish painting my nails, I check on the sides if there's any mistakes, but as I can see, I don't see any major mistakes, so yeah, I don't need to actually clean it up. And yeah, this is how my nails look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe, you know, leave that thumbs up, and for sure leave your comments as well, and have a nice day, guys. Bye.